wabarakatuh. My name is Maharani from Group 5. I want to presentation the project. The project is about expense note. System summary. Expense note are notes that are made to record expense and calculate how much money has been spent. A lot of expense make people unconscious or not counting expense and how much money has been spent. Expense note make it easy for user to record and calculate their expense. With expense note, the user can view and organize their money. It can also make user more economical because they see a lot of money that has been spent. Expense note use Kotlin as a language programming, Android Studio as IDE, and Firebase as database. For the flowchart, the first is login. If user not success login, the app will back to login activity. If user success login, app show the main activity. In the main activity, user can see the data from database and input the data. Also user can update and delete the data. If user want to log out, the app will be back to login activity. User interface. The first picture is login user interface. The app use Google to sign in. The second is for login, user use Google account in their phone. If user success sign in, app will show successful. Next slide. The user also have to input the amount and note.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karina Natasya D from Group 5, Class 4, SC6. In here, I will explain the next slide. In this slide is the user interface to add item. We try to add two items. The first one is for entertainment, 30,000 rupiah, and the second item is for food, 25,000 rupiah. After we successfully added the item, there will be toast and the total of how much we have been spent in that day. The next slide is user interface of account information. If user choose the profile in the top right home, it will lead you to this account information that contains about user information. If user choose logout button, there will be question to ask if user really want to exit or log out. If user choose yes, it will lead you back to the login menu. In the next slide is the display of the authentication Firebase that shows the account that has been registered to the application. In every email or account, there will be a user UID. The next slide is the display of the real-time database. In here, it will contain the item that has been added in the application. The added item is under the user UID of the account. Previously, we have user UID that start with HA capital SM, and in this real time, the added item is under HA capital SM. In our project, there are error/problems in the application. The application cannot read the data from database, so in the home/main activity, it cannot show user the list data that has been added. Because of that, we cannot try to do the update and delete data from application. In the account information also has the same problem that can show the user information from application. Because of that, there is a null in the account information. We also has a problem in progress dialog in main activity and problem in the runtime jar files. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.